Hi guys, this is the channel trailer for my new sewing series that I'm going to be doing on the channel. Obviously you're going to still have the truck vlogs like you're expecting, but I'm also going to be doing some sewing on the side.
As you guys listen along, I'm going to teach you all of the sewing types, the running stitch, lock stitch, cover stitch and overlock, as well as things like the blanket stitch or the buttonhole stitch to attach buttons.
Don't panic, the vlogs aren't going anywhere, but there's now going to be sewing every other week, just my favourite hobby, of course.
I think if you guys really like what I do with both Except for Access and the podcast that I do, Just Another Trucking Podcast, which you should definitely go and check out. Please go and check it out. It's amazing. You can get it anywhere. But if you guys like that sort of thing, you are going to love what I'm going to do here.
So don't forget to subscribe for sewing videos. You're going to love them.
Thank you so much for watching the video. Please remember to share the video today, this morning, wink wink. Go and check out the podcast, Just Another Trucking Podcast. You can get it just about anywhere. And other than that, have a great day.